Good morning. It is a little cool out there as we are waking up to temperatures in the 60s, even some 50s off to the northeast, and still some 70s in place from Lampasas to Georgetown as warmer air is attempting to work into our area built by these south winds. They're blowing about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Gusts not so much a factor just yet, but as we get into the afternoon with the south winds increasing to around 10 to 15, we could see some gusts nearing 20 miles per hour at times. Upper 70s at noon. I'm expecting upper 80s later on this afternoon with that cloud cover continuing to build. 5 to 10 mile per hour winds out of the south and the southeast. As highs today climbing to the upper 80s, 88 in Waco today, 88 in Temple and Killeen, 88 in Bryan College Station. Normally should be 78. Record, by the way, 90 set back in 2024. And then tonight, not as cool, falling down into the upper 60s and low 70s. The exception may be our eastern counties where you could end up in the low 60s by morning. Now, Future Track does show you that cloud cover increasing here today. No rain comes out of these clouds, though. We should stay dry today. Now, overnight, the clouds will build even more as moisture continues to come in from the south. That'll start as close to 70 tomorrow morning in some spots. And then we start to see some showers develop during the day on Friday. Friday should be a cloudier day across the area as we get into the mid to upper 80s and could see some showers lifting from south to north through the afternoon and into the early evening hours. Our best chance of rain will actually come in Friday night into Saturday morning. And models have sped this activity up a bit to where it now could arrive as early as 9, 10 o'clock here, with some of our western counties potentially seeing it as early as the evening, and that means that we're going to have to watch it very closely for those Friday night football games. This is why you're seeing schools move some of those games, is the potential for those storms to arrive a little earlier, and they will likely last through the overnight hours, eventually trying to clear out by the morning with some redevelopment and lingering showers still possible during the day on Saturday. That'll keep our temperatures in the mid 70s. Now, there is a small window that some of these storms as they come in could be strong to severe, mainly west of I-35. That's where I have you under this isolated threat. The storms will be a solid line or a solid complex, but you could have isolated wind gusts that could reach up close to 60 miles per hour and some quarter-size hail possible with the strongest storms. The biggest threat, however, will be the heavy rainfall, where we could see some flash flooding try to set up. We'll have 1 to 2 inches of rain widespread across the area with locally heavier amounts of 3 to 4 inches possible, and could even see some higher amounts than that. This is going to be a decent rain for central Texas. We'll be quiet Sunday, 86 on Monday. Rain chances return Tuesday with our next cold front. Behind that will be in the 70s and in the Brazos Valley. More of the same, cooler there on Saturday. Could see those temperatures dip in the mid 70s by next week.
I'm senior neighborhood reporter Bobby Portavant here in Waco, and one of the